Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 461. Which tense focuses on how long an action had been happening before a specific point in the past? A. Past continuous. B. Past perfect. C. Past perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, past perfect continuous. Question number 462. Which tense focuses on how long an action will have been happening by a specific point in the future? A. Future continuous. B. Future perfect. C. Future perfect continuous. D. Present perfect continuous. Correct answer, future perfect continuous. Question number 463. Every morning, my cat wakes me up at 6 a.m. What tense is this? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 464. Please be quiet, the baby is sleeping. What tense is sleeping? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, present continuous. Question number 465. I lost my keys yesterday. What tense is lost? A. Present perfect. B. Simple past. C. Past continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple past. Question number 466. I think I will have a sandwich for lunch. What tenses will have? A. Present continuous. B. Simple future. C. Future continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple future. Question number 467. Have you ever been to New York? What tenses have been? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, present perfect. Question number 468. Don't call me between 7 and 8, I will be having dinner. What tense is will be having? A. Simple future. B. Future perfect. C. Future continuous. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous. Question number 469. By the time we got to the cinema, the movie had already started. What tense is had already started? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect. Question number 470. By next year, I will have finished my master's degree. What tense is will have finished? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, future perfect. Like, share, comment and subscribe.